Okay, so I have this huge big pointer paper in front of me. I don't know how much of it I'm actually going to be able to read, but um, let's start with the most obvious question that I think everybody has on their minds as to why this particular cause, why me, why this particular cause? Because I truly believe in it. I think it's something that we can make a difference to. I think it's something that we can make a difference with. And as a country, we can do it. It's not only a question of, it's not only just me. Yes, I may be able to affect my environment, but if you join me, you will be able to affect your environment, and I will be able to affect mine. And it's like, everybody's saying, but, only I can't make a difference. Yes, you can. I believe that. Like Sanjeev was talking about, the Swachhata Doot, the messenger of change. I think that's a very interesting way of putting it. When we speak about Swachh Adat, Swachh Bharat, we talk about changing a thought pattern. We talk about changing a way of thinking so that we can get a better future, not only for ourselves, but for our children and for the next generation for that matter. And that's exactly what we have planned with all the Playing Billion. We want the country to have that kind of health and to have a next gen that understands that we took their health seriously and we did something about it. As far as the 3 habits are concerned, it's something that we have been taught probably from childhood. It's not something that we are initiating newly, or it's not something so very alien to us. As a culture, we have understood it from the time that we were kids. Our parents, our grandparents, in my case, my great grandmother as well, has kind of taught us as children. बेटा खाने से पहले हाथ मुंह धो लो, बेटा बाथरूम से निकले हो तो पहले तो हाथ धोना है आपको. तो ये जो है मुझे लगता है एक we are a culture of words, probably more than visual, or we are a verbal culture. We remember what our parents and our grandparents have taught us because they've been telling us. So they have passed the stories down, passed the traditions down to us as children. And as grown-ups, I hope that I will be able to pass that on to my children as well. And this, I think, these 3 habits of having clean water, clean toilets, and washing your hands with soap, I think these 3 habits, where earlier they were tradition, they were culture, have now become a necessity. पहले के ज़माने में बोलते थे कि घाव पे बस मट्टी लगा दो ठीक हो जाएगी. आज के ज़माने में अगर आप मट्टी लगाओगे तो मतलब पहले आपको डॉक्टर बोलेगा कि आपका दिमाग खराब है, सेप्टिसीमिया हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, पहले तो इसको इंजेक्शन दे दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. तो आई थिंक तो जैसे कहते हैं कि मिट्टी बदल गई है, पानी बदल गई है, पानी बदल गया है, हवा बदल गई है, दुनिया बदल गई है. और जो पहले ज़माने में एक आदत हुआ करती थी, आज के ज़माने में एक ज़रूरत है. Today we can change our habits and change our country because of that. And like I said before, why am I here? I think because the next generation is important. And I saw this amazing video on YouTube. I don't know whether I put it out on Twitter or not, but I saw this amazing video where this 13-year-old stood up on stage and she talked about what her world was like versus what our world is like today. And she said where, y'all could go freely and play in the mud whenever you like. Today we don't have that much mud to play around in. And the mud that we have is dirty and has too many germs for us to even think about it. Where you all had rivers, where you had flowing, healthy, rivers, and you had so much to watch, to see, to experience. We have dirty, polluted water. We can't even see a river in places. So I think that's why I am here today. I am here for the next generation. I am here so that our children, I wouldn't say mine, but our children can probably stand up and say, and that they're proud of us for taking our world and them and their future seriously, and maybe to stand up and do something about it, rather than just standing up and saying, oh, you know, there's nothing that I can do about it. Yes, you can. Every one of us can stand up and take just that little bit of social responsibility and stand up and say, okay, I may not be the richest man in the world, or I may not be the most influential man in the world, but at least I can influence my own environment, and I can influence the people around me to better habits. And really, it's honestly simple. That's one of the things that I did at home, just to give you an example. So we have servants from all over the country who come and stay with us, obviously. So that was one of the things that we had to educate them about, was that how clean water makes a difference, how a clean toilet makes a difference to them. When they are living with us, they realize the importance of clean water, clean hands, because I scream and shout my guts out that they have to wash their hands before they wash my vegetables, and a clean toilet. And at the end of it, they are healthier. They rarely fall sick for that very reason. And they're going to go back. And they're going to go back to their villages and to their families. And they're going to go back with these habits to say that, okay, you know, हम देखो हमारी सेहत कितनी अच्छी हो गई है वहाँ पे. हम तो बीमार ज़्यादातर पड़ते ही नहीं हैं, क्योंकि हम ये सब चीज़ें करते हैं. अब हमें घर पे भी ये करना चाहिए. So that is just a small change. That's just a small thought process change that we have affected, that I have affected, and I'm sure a lot of people have affected in their homes and lives. And I think that that's where we came up with the playing billion idea as well. And I have really nothing more to say besides the fact that, you know, we believe that cleanliness is next to godliness. And if we all aspire towards godliness, I think the first step towards that would be to make a cleaner, better India. Thank you.
Can we now unveil the campaign, please?
That's it. From playing 11 to playing billion, all it takes is 3 simple habits. That was the new campaign of Swachh Aadat, Swachh Bharat. I request Mr. Mehta to come back on stage. Kajol and Mr. Mehta, if you could take center stage, because we have something very, very, very interesting. And thank you, Kajol. I think your speech was totally inspiring, and it's so fascinating that you're so, you know, passionate about the cause. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, you can go ahead and take pictures, but I'd like to tell you that, you know, as Kajol gets associated with this initiative as the advocacy ambassador, we will also be having a Q&A session at the end of it, where the media is very, very welcome to pose questions to them. Sorry? Yeah. All right. So I'll give you an opportunity again to take pictures if you like. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on, and to ensure that we have all the support that we need to make this mission successful, I'd now like to take a moment to call out a team of absolute stars. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to call on stage the Ramkula 11. Please welcome these beautiful children. These are kids you just saw in the video. They are stars from the film, and let me in you in on a secret. These kids are actually from the village Ramkula. Okay?
Hello.
Oh my God. They were selected from the schools of Ramkula for this shoot, and this was their first time in front of the camera. First time, and look how professional they were. And while the shoot of this video was going on, the HUL Swachh Aadat Swachh Bharat team ensured that they use this opportunity to drive change.
Come here, na, Sanjeev. Come here.
So look at these kids. They've never faced the camera before, and they were so, so good. And you know, as the shoot went on, an on-ground behavior change program was conducted at Ramkola and of course its nearby villages, which included a school, a mohalla and an Anganwadi contact program, all with the aim of driving the awareness and importance of these 3 simple hygiene habits. And now, if you had enough pictures with these cuties, I'd like to request Mr. Mehta and Kajol to felicitate them. The Ramkola 11, can we have a round of applause? Who doesn't love applause? These adorable cuties. Right. So can we have the kids on stage for the kids, please? So ladies and gentlemen, as a token of our appreciation, HUL will be sponsoring the Swachh Aadat Swachh Bharat Hygiene Check for 1 year for these children and their families. And well, if we have now taught them the 3 habits and given them the products to help them follow these 3 habits, I'm sure that they will be able to play every day. So here's some cricketing gear for them as well. All right, and I'm sure the kids will never forget this special moment and this wonderful applause that you've given them. So I'd like all of you, now that you've taken your photograph with them, and they have the best memories to take back with them. So here's the check. Calm down, sir. Itna dangerous voice mein baat mat kijiye. Right.
कैसे बात पकड़ते हैं?
Very good afternoon to everyone. I see this program as another great opportunity for us to partner as the only regional media by, once again, with Unilever and other media houses against the malice of malnutrition and child development through the adoption of basic Swachh Aadats like washing your hands, keeping your surroundings clean, keeping the bathrooms clean. Initiative will build through advocacy and education in our base of over 75 million people we touch every day through our print, television, and digital outreaches by driving a simple message of keeping yourself and your environment around you clean. We pledge, Sanjeev ji, through all our initiatives, our Sarpanch Awards, our Parliamentary Awards, our Sanskar Che Moti, we reach out to about 30 lakh students, and our strong belief that it actually needs to start at the very beginning of the childhood. I think it would be a great initiative to partner with Unilever in all these causes and take this initiative forward. Thank you again for involving Lokmat in such a great cause. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We were founded about 139 years ago with a unique duty. We were founded by 6 young Indians in 1878 to give voice to native Hindus, as the Indians were then called. And in many ways, the clarion call that Sanjeev and Ms. Kajol have issued today resonates deeply with us at a duty level. And so we take great joy, great delight in partnering with Hindustan Unilever and our fellow publications here. There's a famous saying, never doubt that when a group of well-intentioned people, a small group of well-intentioned people come together, they can change the world. We see ourselves as being part of the small group with an audacious goal of changing India. And we will do everything in our power, Sanjeev, to ensure that the cause that you've started off today reaches the millions that we serve. Thanks for the opportunity to partner with you.
That's so wonderful. Pledge straight from the heart. I'd now like to request Mr. Byotra from the Hindustan Times to say a few words.
Good afternoon to each one of you. It's absolutely a privilege to be here and be a part of this. I personally, of course, have been a great admirer of HUL. Sanjeev does have the Midas touch. Whatever you touch turns into gold. It's only fitting that you've stepped forward and launched this new initiative to take the Swachh Bharat initiative forward. And we are absolutely delighted to be a part. In some ways, we have been doing our own work as well. We've adopted a couple of villages in UP, and I would like to extend an invitation to each one. If you ever happen to come towards this side, we would love to show you what we've been trying to do. But we have influence as well. We are a 94-year-old organization, and I absolutely would like to pledge here that we will use what influence we have over our loyal set of readers to try and convert this into a revolution. Absolutely wonderfully delighted to be here. Thank you so very much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. And now Saurabh is here representing the Patrika Group.
Friends, Patrika Group is a credible media house, and we stay committed to all such social responsibility causes that we have. It's a privilege for us to be able to partner HUL for this initiative, and we commit ourselves fully to ensure all the objectives are met. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saurabh, and I would request you to give a warm applause to all our partner publications, and I think their contribution will really ensure that we have a country of not just one playing 11, but a playing billion. So thank you so much, gentlemen, and thank you for being here today. Thank you. Thank you so much. Join me in a warm round of applause. Thank you so much. I request... Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, you can take the mics home, or you could give it to me. Right here. Thanks. So, Mr. Mehta, I have a couple of questions that still remain, and don't forget, we have, the mic open for a Q&A. But how can I, for example, as an individual, become a Swachhta Doot if I want to?
I have a mic. So thank you so much. First it's a very simple thing. Yeah, go to our website. And if you could just put on, please, the link to the website. And if you go over there, it will be very easy for you to understand how we could help you become a Swachhta Doot. As simple as that.
Great.
Yeah,
So we
but
can...
very important is to have the self-belief. Very important is to have the commitment that each one of us have huge influence, and we are very lucky that we are that part of the society where when we decide to step forward, we can make a difference.
I think what is wonderful is that you've launched the initiative which not only is partnered by media groups that will take it forward, but everyone here who wants to be part of this movement, we can be the change in our individual capacities as well. So Kajol, are you going to take the pledge? Are you going to open the, and press the pledge button on it right away?
Yes, I am actually. Somebody get me the pledge button, please. Thank you.
Right.
As far as taking the pledge is concerned, I think that we've already taken that pledge by organizing it. But this is for you guys.
Yeah, I
So-
mean, well started is half begun, so. Or well begun is
So
half
this is
done.
this is the video of the Playing Billion, which you all just saw. And that's the take a pledge button, which has got I pledge to become a Swachhata Doot written underneath it.
Right away.
So, right now. And thank you.
Wonderful. So, applause for Kajol, who has initiated and opened the program by being the advocacy ambassador, taken the pledge. I urge all of you to carry that as part of the media to carry.
And if you don't have any questions, that's okay as well.
We can ask you questions.
Yes, that would
Yeah,
be
we can give you just
pretty
random
interesting.
answers
Yes.
and random trivia about cleanliness.
So, is anyone interested in asking anything specific about the initiative, about the campaign, about Kajol's involvement? Yes? Wow.
I think their media packets were
Pretty comprehensive
definitive
and
comprehensive, and they
descriptive.
Hi,
got
Kajol.
everything.
Oops.
Towards your left, yeah. Hi, पूजा from News Nation channel. हम स्वच्छता की बात कर रहे हैं, नए सोच के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। भारत में स्वच्छता के अलावा बहुत सारी गंदगियाँ भी है सोच के मामले में। तो ऐसी कौन सी गंदगी है जो आप निकाल के बाहर फेंकना चाहते हो?
बहुत सारी गंदगी हैं, ऐसे कुछ लिस्ट बहुत बड़ी बनाई नहीं मैंने। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि अगर इस एक चीज़ से हम शुरुआत करें तो शायद हम बाकी की गंदगियों तक पहुंच सकेंगे कभी ना कभी ज़रूर।
और भी कई उम्मीदें हैं, ज़रूरतें हैं देश को, और बजट आ रहा है इस साल, तो आपकी एज अ एक्टर, एज अ जनता क्या उम्मीदें हैं इस बजट से?
Okay, that's a very, very involved and complicated question, which
not
I don't know
really.
whether I have the expertise to discuss with you on this particular platform. I think that's fair enough.
Also, it would be lovely
That's
if we
vague
stick
enough
to
for
the
me to get
initiative.
my
As an actor, your expectations from this budget, as an actor.
See, I ideally want the entertainment industry to be completely tax-free, but since that's not going to happen in my foreseeable future, I will leave it up to the government to do as they see best.
Thank you, Kajol.
काजोल, हाल ही के दिनों में देखा गया कि बहुत सारे जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं इस तरह के कॉज से जुड़ रहे हैं, जैसे कि आप सफाई अभियान से जुड़ी हैं इससे, तो ये जो ट्रेंड बढ़ रहा है, लोग सोशली अवेयर हो रहे हैं और अवेयरनेस फैलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं सेलिब्रिटीज़ खासकर बॉलीवुड में, इसे आप किस तरह से देखती हैं?
इसे मैं किस तरह से देखती हूँ? I think it's a good thing. It's definitely a good thing. Whatever the reasons may be, जो भी वजह हों कि उन्होंने ये शुरुआत की है, जिसके बारे में वो बात कर रहे हैं, I think the result is correct. I feel that I feel people need to stand up and talk about things. I don't think that it would be a cause if there was not a necessity for it. As far as celebrities are concerned, I think when I switch a channel as a layman, अगर मैं आम आदमी की तरह चैनल चेंज करूँ तो जिस चेहरे को मैं पहचानती हूँ उस पर ज़रूर रुकूंगी, और यही मुझे लगता है कि सेलिब्रिटी का स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट होता है कि हम पहचाने जाते हैं और शायद थोड़े अच्छे भी लगते हैं लोगों को, तो इसी वजह से शायद लोग रुक के हमारी बातें कभी कभार सुन भी लेते हैं। इस वजह से मैं भी यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ आपके सामने, आपके सवाल का जवाब दे रही हूँ।
काजोल, एक और सवाल कि हमारे देश में बहुत लंबी बहस चली कि नेशनल एंथम थिएटर्स में प्ले करना चाहिए या नहीं। फाइनली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपना वर्डिक्ट दे दिया और कहा है कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि नेशनल एंथम प्ले किया जाए। एज एन एक्टर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में कि फोर्स नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको लगता है?
I cannot speak for the rest of the country. As for me, whenever I hear the national anthem, I automatically stand up.
Very good. Excellent. Well said. Well said.
लेकिन काजल क्या वो स्टेटमेंट से आप अग्री करते हैं?
जी?
क्या उस स्टेटमेंट से आप
I think I gave my answer on that very statement. You can take it as whatever you like.
Okay, thank you.
Do we have any more questions?
Nope.
Okay. There's one right up front. Wait for the mic.
टैक्स लगा है जीएसटी में।
Start again.
मैम 12% जो सैनिटरी नैपकिन में टैक्स लगा है गवर्नमेंट ने लगाया है जीएसटी के द्वारा, आपको लगता है इससे टैक्सेबल फ्री होना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट को? सैनिटरी नैपकिन।
Again, I don't have the financial expertise to speak about. One second, let me finish. You asked me a question, wait for my answer. So, I don't think that I have the financial expertise to discuss GST. I really don't. I'm an actor, otherwise I would be, doing another job somewhere. As far as women's sanitary napkins are concerned, I think they've put a tax. Doodh pe bhi tax hai, chawal pe bhi tax hai. It's not that they are tax free. So, that's really up to the government as to what they see fit and how they see fit to tax things.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, with that note, we will close the Q&A session. Thank you so much for being here. And thank you so much, Mr. Mehta and Kajol, for this wonderful initiative. I think it's brilliant, and congratulations on making this country so much better and a brighter future for the children. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here this afternoon, and please write lovely things about this campaign so it can be a success. Thank you.